Go on, you'll be alright. Go on, be brave, be fearless.
I'm not brave and I'm not fearless. I'm a win. That's alright actually.
Is it?
Not if I can get up.
You done it? You want to have a go?
That's alright, yeah, but be careful. Let me take the GoPro down.
No, it's alright, I'm going to do it. That's alright. Yeah.
It does go very, very quick.
Look.
Yeah, you can't stop yourself.
Whoa, Nicky.
Come back again. Yeah, I was a bit scared about going over the top, which is why I tried to stop myself. You just can't, can you?
No, it's nice. Good fun, that. Right. It's not one. You're going to have another go down the slide.
Yeah, do you want to go at the bottom and catch me just in case? Or are you going to go first? Do you want to go? You going for it? Oh, so go for it. Mind the water bottles come out.
Water bottle there.
Dave, yeah.
There you go. Are you one piece? Good man. Well done. I was impressed. Oh, good. Are you going to catch her then?
Are you coming down?
Not with this. Are you going? You go first. Yeah, I don't want to hurt that, and I probably will. Catch me at the bottom if necessary, sorry. I don't think I will, but you never know. Ready?
Go on then, danger suit.
That's fun. I like that. I just can't get up afterwards. I need some ice. Some snow.
Let's go down the slide 10 times. Let's go down the slide again.
She's just had a go. Have you had a go?
Oh, yeah.
It's brilliant, isn't it?
Yeah.
Come on, over the top.
Over the top and stand up? No.
Yeah, come on, over the top and stand up. No, they're not doing it.
No. Just want to have a look at something at the top first. That is fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like that.
Come on, you two, over the top.
Oh, going together.
Ready?
Do you want another go?
No.
How do you video? You can stop listening.
No.
Well done, nearly, nearly.
So close.